Hi guys. Okay, so yeah, I think I have an addiction to mother energy drinks, but I justify it by saying that I need the packaging in order to make some little tags. So I thought I'd share these little tags I made, courtesy of my energy drink packaging. These are just packaging with some painted music paper, napkin, and this is material off my husband's old tie. It's actually really pretty. You can't see it on camera, but it's got red shiny bits in it. And then I've just stitched around the edges and inked the edges of the napkin. The napkin, actually, I didn't decoupage it on. I've actually ironed it onto paper with some cling wrap. So you just put some scrap paper, like scrap printer paper, cling wrap, napkin, and then just put some baking paper over top, or a piece of cloth, an ironing cloth, and just iron it with the steam off. And it just pretty much adheres the napkin to the paper. And I've got some that I did a couple of years ago, maybe 2 years ago, and it's not pulling apart, so it's pretty sturdy. And it's better than decoupaging it on because it doesn't make it all wrinkly. When you decoupage it on, it's really hard to keep it smooth. And this actually feels like nice, proper paper. So that's one of them. That's another. And the music paper, I've just put some green and yellow cheap acrylic paints on and just swooshed it over, with an old plastic card. That's another. So I think they've turned out really pretty. And I've left the backs, just the plain packaging, because I think the brown is really nice as it is. It's actually, the stitching on the sides, I've tried to do it really messy, like round and round, but it's actually harder to sew messy than you think. Like my normal sewing is messy as it is, but when you deliberately try and sew messy, it's actually quite hard. That's another one. So I just made all different sizes and different pieces, different placements. Anyway, that was all. I just thought I'd share those little guys with you and give you another way to just use all that packaging that you'd normally just throw into the recycle bin. That's it. Thanks. Bye.